Hi, so the previous video showed you how to create this table using the calculations based on the sample calculations. To be honest, this is probably the best way because you are expected to create this table, and all you would do is just create this table and swap out the numbers from your actual data. But I am going to show you the data analysis ToolPak that we had you download, and this is a great way to double check that you've done these calculations correctly. So all I've done is just created this table again and removed those numbers, and I'm going to show you how to use the ToolPak. So what you need to do is firstly organize your data so it's easier for the ToolPak to read. So what I'm going to do is get my independent variable, those 5 values. So I've got the 0% sucrose, the 10% sucrose, etc. There we go. And what I'm going to do is put in my 3 trial data, so the ones that I'm actually doing the analysis on. Now you'll notice when I copied the values just then in Excel, it didn't like it because of the formulas, so I'm going to delete that. I'm going to highlight what I want to copy again, hit copy, and then here I'm just going to go to home, and for paste, I just want to paste values and click on that box there, and now you can see those numbers are transferred. So we'll do the same thing, copy, click, I want to paste values, and just go ahead and create a little neat table that makes it a lot easier for this ToolPak to read. Okay, so what we can do now is once I've got my data organized into a little table like this, I can go up to Data, Data Analysis, and then you'll see descriptive statistics pop up. So I want descriptive statistics, and I'm going to hit OK. And then you can see the input range, whereas my data, I'm going to open this up. Some versions is a red arrow, some versions is a black arrow. And I'm just going to highlight that new data set that I've created, and I'm going to hit close. Okay, how did I group my data? You can see I've grouped it by columns. So I need to click on that, and are my labels in the first row? Yes. My output range, where do I want this data to go? Do I want to put it in a new spreadsheet? Do I want it on the same spreadsheet? I'm going to say the same spreadsheet. So I'm going to click output data, and I want it to start here. So just pick somewhere on your spreadsheet. Then I want to do summary statistics, and yes, we can see that we want a confidence interval. So yes, I'm of 95%. So I'm going to also click, oh, what did I just do? Click that. There we go. Confident interval, and yes, it's 95%. So that's what I want. Once I've done that, I can hit OK, and you can see this has shown up where I asked it to. Zoom in a little bit more. And you can see here, here's the 0%, 10%, 30%, etc. data. So you can bring the tables across to make it easier to read, but you can see here for the 0%, the mean is 2.69, and I can copy that across. And all you do is go and copy across these values. And what you can see is if I go back over to my raw data, we should have those same figures, 2.69, negative 7.17, etc. So you can see that we've got those same values. Same thing for standard deviation. There's our numbers. And you can see this is just a very quick, nice summary this ToolPak provides for your data. There's our standard error. And there's my confidence interval there. Now you can't see me hitting Control and copy and paste, but I'm just hitting Control C for copy, and then I'm hitting Control V for paste. And what you'll find is all of those values are exactly the same as these values. It was just a different way to calculate it. Thank you.